Introduction to Monitoring System. Monitoring Implementation Mode. In this section, we introduce Monitoring Implementation Mode. Here, we can see 4 subsystems: power supply and distribution equipment, cooling equipment, environment equipment, and security equipment. Power supply and distribution equipment include generators, UPSs, and batteries. Cooling equipment includes refrigerating units, precision air conditioners, and cooling capacity meters. Environment equipment includes sensors, alarm devices, fire suppression systems, and security equipment such as cameras and access controllers. The monitoring system can monitor the subsystems and devices so users can understand the running status of the data center. Let's introduce the monitoring mode of power supply and distribution equipment. In the table list, we can see a diesel generator, ATS and STS, UPS, battery and battery cabinet, UPS output cabinet, PDU, and so on. Notice that operating status, operation parameters, alarms, and remote management can all be monitored by the monitoring system. For example, the monitoring system can display the UPS running status, making it easy for users to see whether UPS is working in normal or bypass mode. Moreover, users can see parameters such as 3-phase voltage of UPS. Based on different interfaces provided by the devices, the solution usually provides 2 network connection modes. Devices supporting the Modbus or telecom protocol are connected to the serial server or monitoring system collector over RS485, and those supporting SNMP are connected over the FE interface. Next, let's introduce refrigerating equipment. In the table list, we can see refrigerating unit, precision air conditioner, cooling capacity meter, and in-row air conditioner. We can monitor the operating status, operation parameters, alarms, and remote management. For example, users can see the running status and some parameters of a precision air conditioner, such as temperature and humidity. To ensure compatibility with different interfaces provided by the devices, the solution provides 2 network connection modes. Devices supporting Modbus or Telcom are connected to the serial server or monitoring system collector over RS485, whereas those supporting SNMP are connected over the FE interface. Environment equipment can also be monitored. In the table list, we can see smoke sensors, temperature and humidity sensors, water sensors, and audio and visual alarm devices. Because the smoke sensor connects to the collector over a DI interface, the system can monitor the smoke concentration in an equipment room or module. The system can monitor the temperature and humidity in an equipment room or module. The data center computer room should remain at constant temperature and humidity. However, in practice, there is usually a local temperature dead angle in the room, greatly reducing service life of electronics. By deploying temperature and humidity sensors in multiple areas of the data center computer room, a temperature and humidity monitoring network can be established. Then, it is easy to discover whether the local area is overheating or too humid. Usually, the temperature and humidity sensor connects to the collector over the RS485 interface. Next, using the water sensor, the monitoring system can monitor liquid leakage in an equipment room or module. If leakage occurs, an audio and visual alarm device generates an alarm. The water sensor is connected to the collector over the DI interface. Next is audio and visual alarm device. When an alarm is generated in an equipment room or module, such a device in the equipment room or module produces sound or light, prompting the user to handle the alarm. Audio and visual alarm devices are connected to the collector over the DO interface. Next is hydrogen detection system. The system can monitor whether hydrogen concentrations are too high in an equipment room or module, preventing safety hazards such as fires. The data center computer room is highly sensitive to fire damage, which would be devastating. The hydrogen detection system is connected to the collector through dry contact. Then, fire suppression system can control fire extinguishing equipment in an equipment room to put out fires if they start. The fire suppression system is connected to the collector through dry contact. The monitoring system also can monitor the security equipment, which is important for data center security. For example, a camera can monitor the real-time situation in an equipment room or module. Users can log into the monitoring system to view the live video feed and check whether an emergency is occurring. Usually, cameras with standard configurations are directly connected to a switch over the FE interface and are supplied with power using PoE. The next device is the Network Video Recorder, NVR, which can configure and manage cameras. The NVR is used to store images and provide a large-scale storage medium to store videos on a long-term basis. The videos are stored in different files based on time segment. The next is Equipment Room Access Controller, which can control and manage card readers. Usually, these controllers are connected to the monitoring system over the FE interface. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.